Well, in general, in the Introductory and Advanced Technical Analysis course, I intend to teach you all the main comprehensive and detailed methods of technical analysis. The videos we will present next are completely practical and will show you how to actually analyze the main indicators in technical analysis. In this educational course, our effort is to become fully familiar with the history of technical analysis, the initial concepts, and the principles of technical analysis. Next, we will get acquainted with trading software. We will fully understand candlestick patterns. We will become familiar with technical patterns, and finally with the main indicators, and continuing in the discussion of advanced technical analysis concepts. We will cover the principles and concepts of technical analysis. We will get to know advanced technical patterns, the design of Fibonacci indicator systems, and finally, we will become familiar with Elliott waves and the powerful Gann tools, and we will try to learn all these methods in a completely practical and applicable manner. Join us in this exciting educational course.